Okay, welcome to Ronnys Games. Look what I got here, package. And I've ordered, I think 2 or 3 more of these. It's similar. But look at the shipping on this thing. $13.35. Let me crack it open real quick. Alright, as you can see, it's a showcase. This actually has the cars in it. Mainly interested. Let's see if I can flip this over. Cars are nice and wrapped up. Interested in the showcase. For now, I may leave the cars in there. I think it's okay. There's a couple of spots. I don't know if they'll clean off or not. Yeah, some of that may clean off. Showcase. This entire showcase is T-birds. So what I'll do is keep the ones I need, which is maybe, I don't even know if it's half of them. I'll keep half of these and then get rid of the rest. This may be one of those. I don't know if it is. I think some of these may be like the McDonald's ones. Because most of the time, these T-birds, at least the old ones, metal body, plastic, or metal and metal. Got a little ding in it. Well, I'll go through my set and I'll keep the ones I need. Get rid of the ones I don't. Like these two. I'm not sure if I have these two. Here, moving on. Another red one. It's a different color actually. A little bit darker. T-birds. The yellow one. This is the one, when I was growing up, I had this one. I think I had the white one too. And another red one. That one, to me, looks to be the same color. But it's in like in worse condition than the other one. It's got some bunch of chips in it. This one. This one again. I think these two are actually the same color. I thought maybe it's different. Very little difference if there is any. And the last one. So that should be 16 of those. The case was full. Let's see. Yep. That's 16. I mean, new disc showcase. And what I'll do is I'll make this a T-Bird showcase for now, and then as I need it, I can change it to Corvettes or Camaros or something like that. There's another T-Bird, Pennsylvania. All right, I went through the T-Birds, and these are the ones I already have, or there were duplicates in this case. So this one's going bye-bye. This car I actually have two of it already. It's going bye-bye. Part of my original collection when I was a kid. This one's going bye-bye. I have it. And this was another duplicate. So I had these two already. There were two of these. They're real similar. I picked out the best one. This one kind of has, I don't know if it'll come off, there's a little scuff on the hood. And this one, there were two of these. I picked the best one out, but it is an old one. Look at that base, Hong Kong. But both of them have little scuffs and just, you know, just really just general play wear. It's not bad for a car this old. So I don't know what I'm getting rid of it because there's already one in the collection here. So here's the ones I'm keeping. I didn't see these in my collection. Got the white one. This black one. And then here's that other red one that's from Hong Kong. So it's pretty nice. And it's, you know, metal and metal. And then there's this other red one. Where's it from? Malaysia. But it's like just a little bit different color of red. And then we got a green one. It's another Malaysia base. And there's these two. What do they have on the bottom? This one has a little marker on the bottom. It's also Hong Kong. And this one is Malaysia. But they basically have the same tempo. A little bit different colors of them. This one. I'm surprised I don't have this one. I think maybe my kids have this one. I was kind of surprised that I don't have it. And then there's a plain yellow one. So those are the ones. And that leaves, what, 6 more slots to fill up. So I can pull some out of my cabinet and put them on there and have a T-Bird showcase. Okay, got 2 of the new showcases hung up. I got 1 more coming that I'll hang there. But, get the T-Birds in there.